Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Okay, I will try to not cry because I just did my au revoir in French and I was a little bit emotional, and now I'm receiving some birthday wishes and from my best friend that have never met. We met online on Instagram. It's been like 6 years. She lives in USA and I live in Switzerland, and we never met, and we almost, talk to each other every day. And she's my best friend, and when I say to people that my best friend is someone that I have never met, they are like, and I'm like, some people meet and get married before even meeting, so leave me alone with my best friend. And we are supposed to meet this year, and I don't know if they will close the borders because of COVID and the monkeypox and the elephant pandemic. Like, we have the whole zoo. So voila, I will look a little bit crazy on this last video, so I will try to be like straight to the point and try to not cry. First of all, I would like to thank you guys for your support, for your amazing, how can I say that, like, yeah, amazing support and being here every day, liking, commenting, and giving me your feedback, and it means a lot to me. Okay, again. And thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Merci. Let's do the reveal, so maybe I will not cry. Today, to finish, it's the last day. I have the feeling that I'm giving birth, but no, it's just like saying goodbye and see you next week, because I'm not going to die. So for the last day of this challenge, that I was super happy to be able to do, I explained to on my French channel to you that if you have the feeling you cannot do something, don't let this feeling, this fear, stop you. Of course, it's just a stupid handbag challenge on YouTube, etc. But this is the beginning of something better, because I wanted to prove to myself that I was able to do things, that being scared of doing this or that, it's stupid, thinking that you're not perfect yet, or you don't have this, or you need that, or you don't speak the language very well or something, shouldn't stop you from doing what you like or what you want. So if I can give you mot de la fin, last word is believe in yourself, do what you like, and if it's not perfect, it's normal. You will be perfect with time, and it's doing mistakes and trying that you will become perfect. And I don't know why I want to cry. It's just because I have some hormones issues. So yeah, okay. So coming back to the challenge, okay, I think I will let a little tear drop. Alors, for the last day, okay, you will think I'm crazy, but I am. I never say I'm not loca, For the last day, we will have some Hermes. I have the bag, but it's just for the unboxing thing, because it's a vintage bag inside. Let me take the bag. I don't want this video to be super long because the French one is 20 minutes long. Super long. So I will avoid this in English. Alors, whew. As you can see, it's a vintage bag. We have the vintage Hermes dust bag, which is amazing. And inside, we have this beautiful Hermes Kelly 28. in bucks calf leather, and she's absolutely amazing. She's a vintage beauty. I don't remember the year because I have two, and I know one I have is from 1963. She's old. And this one, I think she's from 1973 or 78. I will check the date and put it here because I have a, oh my God, how you say this letter in English? You know, the last letter of the alphabet. Okay, we cannot see this. Can we see? No. Maybe like this, yeah, here. Can you see that? So I will put the date here, but otherwise we have a beautiful vintage gold hardware. Here, the vintage stamping. I have, which is super rare, the clochette, the keys, and it works with the key lock. And inside, I have the super vintage, super old Hermes strap with the Hermes tag. And inside, she has a little smell because she's been like kept for a while. And inside, we have everything is clean. She's in super great condition. And she's absolutely beautiful. The only thing, if I had something to say about it, is the fact that she is trying to close it. She is a retournée Kelly and not a Cellier. My dream is a Kelly 28 with the Cellier, the Cellier model, which I think it's really beautiful to have the sharp corners. But otherwise, she's amazing. Can you see this glow on the leather? It's amazing. Now, grab a glass of water with a little bit of sugar because I'm gonna tell you the price, and you guys will hate me from this when I will say it, and that's why it's the last video. I bought this end of 2021, so it's been almost like a year, and I found it on eBay. The lady was based in France. It was her mother's handbag, and I got it for 750 euros. 750 point euro. I think we all know how hard and impossible it is to get an Hermes bag. We know the prices. We are around 8,000 to 10,000. And we know that you have to spend a lot of money at Hermes if you wanna get your handbag. And all this Hermes game that a lot of people cannot, are not able to play because you need a lot of time and a lot of money. I never bought anything new from Hermes. I gotta say that I will keep it like this. Balloon me the bag. I am eyeing some shoes, some belts, some things from Hermes, not because I am starting the Hermes game. I even asked myself, Barbara, do you want this shoe or this belt because you want the item or you want to start, to become a Hermes client? And I've been questioning myself since a few weeks now. And I do really think I love the items, and it's not about, thinking that, oh, maybe one day they will, offer me a bag or something. Because to be honest with you guys, I'm not even sure I would feel comfortable with a 10,000 bag like this. 10,000 is a lot of money. Like, it's a lot of money for some people. Some people it's like $10. And yes, a lot of YouTubers and influencers, they are, unboxing Hermes bags like if they were like, Zara bags, and if I don't know, it's like normal. I'm not going to judge anyone, because I think if I calculate how much I spend on Chanel or these kind of things, I can easily go and buy Hermes. It's not the point. But sometimes I have the feeling that we forget how much those bags cost. And I don't feel, I really like to watch some people when they talk about how they got the bag, etc., etc. But sometimes I feel a little bit uncomfortable. But that's my point of view, and I know that if I am able to buy a Hermes bag from the store, I will be like stressed, because I will be stressed to damage the bag, stressed to be robbed, stressed about a lot of things. So again, I am more comfortable with my Hermes, real Hermes, that is older than me, that has this beautiful patina, and that I paid 10% of the new price. And if something happened to it, I will be very, very upset. But I will be like, okay, at the end, at the end of the grocery shopping, you just paid 750. That's fine, you will not die. But if it was 10K, I would just die, because it's a lot of money. But donc voilà. I don't think you guys are ready to see anytime soon brand new Hermes unboxing, even Chanel, because come on, classic flaps now are more expensive than Hermes bag. Can you imagine that even this bag was so cheap? I don't even know, like, with like 750, if I can buy a Yves Saint Laurent bag. I can buy a Gucci bag, a little Gucci Ophidia bag, and for the same price I got an Hermes. That's why I love vintage, that's why I love secondhand luxury. It's not for everybody, I know, and I respect. And voila, that's my lifestyle, that's my vibe. Love it, she's perfect. Let me know what you guys think about her. I'm not a big fan of Hermes. This is my 4th or 5th Hermes bag, but I never wear them because I do prefer Chanel. I think it's more playful and etc. I'm always dressed with blazers, black outfits, etc. I do have like a strict face, and I like, to have a fun bag, a fun accessory to make everything more easier to stand. I will put her on the floor. Let's say bye-bye. Don't forget to tell me what you think about it, if it was a deal or not. She was my cheapest Hermes bag ever. And voilà, it's the end. C'est la fin. Again, thank you guys for everything. And I'm so happy I was able to talk with some people, to meet some new people too. And thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, if you have a little, like 2 minutes to give me a feedback about my videos, what you would like to see on this channel, what kind of, like, yeah, if you have some feedback, it can be positive or negative. I have to think about what I will be doing on my French channel. Because I have some ideas, but I don't have the real like concepts, and I do have a lot of doubts about my English channel, because I know that my channel is not for everybody's tastes, and yeah, I don't know what I could bring, what kind of content I could bring to you guys. I don't want to, do things like everybody else, and I don't know. Sometimes I have the feeling that we find almost the same kind of content on the big channels, which is cool. I do watch the big YouTubers, etc. But sometimes, I mean, for the English channel, I'm like, okay, what can I bring to them? Because I have the feeling the market, I mean, the luxury English YouTube market is so saturated that I feel that I cannot, give you guys something better or new. And I know I have a lot to do on the English channel because the French market is smaller, and we have less YouTubers. There is like, I didn't find a YouTuber that only talks about vintage and secondhand, so I think I have, my little space, which might not be the case in English. So, voilà. If you have ideas, I'm ready to listen to them. And voilà, it's the end. It's been 16 minutes. Mon Dieu, I speak too much. Guys, again, cœur sur vous. Merci beaucoup, du fond du cœur. And if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will be really nice. And voilà, bisous. I see you in my next video, which will come in the next days. I will do a little pause, and you can find me on Instagram or in the comment box down below. Voilà, trying to my emotions. Voilà, merci, bisous, bye, see you soon.